So today we are heading to Point Bonita Lighthouse. So Point Bonita Lighthouse is located up in Marin, just north of the Golden Gate Bridge. And it takes quite a while to get up there because you have to go through a bunch of curvy mountain roads. Absolutely stunning, beautiful drive. The lighthouse itself you have to walk about a half mile out to because it's out on the very edge of the cliff. In fact, there's actually a bridge that connects the main part of where the lighthouse is to the cliff land side thing itself. So I'm really excited to see this because the Point Bonita Lighthouse is actually only open 2 days a week. It's only open Sundays and Mondays, so it's pretty hard to find a time to get out there that A, it's open, and B, the weather's nice. So I'm hoping that the fog clears just enough today that we get a really nice day out there. Here's the hoping. Let's do this. Well, that did not work out as planned. Even though it says it's open, it is closed today. So, could be because of the weather, could be because of the wildfires. Who knows, but that's a bummer. Good views though. Why do I feel like this is the part that I die? This is really steep. This crap weather here in San Francisco, and unfortunately here's another day, but first time getting to see the lighthouse. This unfortunately will be the closest we get to the lighthouse today. It is closed due to the weather, but there are a ton of other places here along the coast to explore, and there's a ton of boats out here today, even though it is absolutely freezing and the wind, I mean, it is like 40 degrees out here right now with wind chill. It's absolutely ridiculous, but either way, some amazing views. Can't wait to come back on a nicer day and get some more footage. So I'm not sure this will come out on camera or not, but in the distance there is the Golden Gate Bridge, and something you can tell about the summer fog here in San Francisco, very interesting, is that out here on the coast, just outside of the Golden Gate, it is foggy like crazy. And just inside of the Golden Gate, it is not foggy, or not nearly as foggy, and you can actually see how bright it is back there just beyond the bridge, because it is a pretty nice day. And then as you kind of pan around and look up the coast of Marin, you can actually start to see where the fog hits the top of these hills, and you can actually go up into the hills and get above the fog. The fog is pretty low lying, so that's a tip for you. Honestly, if it's a pretty nasty day in San Francisco, a cold, blustery, cloudy, foggy day in San Francisco, honestly, just start going up towards like the Watershed or Mount Tam. Just head up that direction, because you're going to get above the fog and it's going to end up being a 20 or 30 degree difference in weather. All right, so I just left the Point Bonita area, and I was gonna start heading home because I'm a little cold. It definitely was a little windy up there. It was a lot of fun to continue exploring the fort and everything in that area. There's a lot to see, especially some amazing views of the water and the cliffs. However, on my way, I decided to make a pit stop at a place that I've always wanted to check out. I don't really know how to describe it. I will just have to show you. I found Yoda.